Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create data charts in Google Sheets step by step. Charts help you visualize your data clearly and make reports easier to understand. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet that contains your data. Next, select the range of data you want to turn into a chart. Make sure you include both the labels and values. Now go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, click on Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a default chart and display it on your spreadsheet. On the right side, you will see the Chart Editor panel. Here, you can choose different chart types such as column chart, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, or area chart depending on your data. If the default chart doesn't match your needs, click on the Chart Type dropdown and select a different style. You can also customize your chart by going to the Customize tab. Here, you can change chart titles, axis labels, colors, legends, and more to make your chart look professional. If your data changes, the chart will automatically update in real time. You can also move the chart anywhere on the sheet or resize it by dragging the corners. And that's it. You've successfully created a data chart in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.